Sir Betty Doraemon. A woman who uses makeup is a woman who feels she is not beautiful and not so confident. Yes, exactly. That's why I use makeup sometimes, but just a simple makeup because I felt like I don't have a confidence. I swear. Okay. Hi, Cressy. 1062, hello. Atong B. Ate Evelyn, okay ra akong naong Ate Evelyn. Okay ra akong naong. Have you been to Cebu? TY, Mr. Unblock. What is your real name? TYT. I would have a heart attack if I see you working in the garden, sweetie. Oh my god. Yes, I have a garden here. You know, I have a garden here. My mother said, because you would still be so beautiful. Oh, I could not look at you very long. You have work? You have work? Sir TYTY. I have a garden here. I am done. What? I love gardens. Me too, I love gardens. I love uh planting. Ah, look at our place here. Look at our place. Esther. And then si Tamay, I have gardens up there. Gardens. I love plants. Yes. Later, I will show my garden to you. I will do like, hello, Kitty. I want a big garden. Sabi naman yung ano niya. You don't have girlfriend? Or someone you know, girlfriend or wife? No, man. Don't call me mom. I'm not a teacher. No kid. Basta taga Sisugwapa. Thank you. Eh. So dark here. My mother closed the door. Morning. Kasi wala pa. Wala. Ay, gawin chings. Gawin ching unta. Snow. Ay, TY. Sorry. Unya siguro. Shit. Wala yun. Stranger. Hello. You guess my age, TY. You guess my age. Misteryoso, hello. Laag taon niya, babe. Oh no. Wako'y kwarta. Yes, I want a big garden so my wife and I can work. Bagsakid ako piso ga. Para magputok ang toaster. Yes, I want a big garden so my wife and I can work art in the garden and both work hard. Oh, wait. Kate, before revealing. Patay taan. Wala, uy, ang mga langaw ba? Murag buang. I'm sorry, I am not good. It's okay. Game. Hi, game. Nabuang nga mga langaw at ubulong. Mama ko, trigger. So, oh yeah. My God. I'm just 23 years old. Do I look 24? Caleb, wow. Good morning. I was close. Close. Close to 23. No, oh my gosh. See, I hate. I'm just kidding. Lagi. Dili magud kay kanang naman ko siya poultry diri ba niya once gani kuan sila mag-harvest kay naa jud lang 1 week jud na lang giatit samo kay mo to di ko katulong kawal hay imuha na ni Ate Evelyn up diri ba hello hi kawal good morning. Dagan kay viewers sa basta ka ng buntag. J-Lord, did you read it? Wait. Jeffrey, oh no, hello, see? I'm too young. I'm not old. You're true. Tiwai ah. Hey, hi. To see you. I think you look older than your age because... No, I'm just kidding. I'm just making you laugh. Hi, Saint. Jeffrey, daghan dito kay Blanco dre gyapon. Visit kita live wow tagyapon. I like your eyes. Actually, ay, thank you so much for saying that. Visit na lang ako. Sana lang.